Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Umair Awad from Pingu's English School and Eureka School System. The date today is 18th August 2020 and we had an online class with Primary 5 today. In today's online class, we studied about question words which start with WH. On page number 9 of Learner's Book, there is a word study which is given that the question words which start with WH are what, why, when, where, who, which and whose. These are the question words which are given in the book, and there's an exercise number 5 on the same page number 9, in which the students have to create sentences basically with just applying the appropriate question word. For example, the first question is dash is his name. So the appropriate question word which will be suitable here is what is his name. The question word what, which starts with WH, will be applied here to complete the sentence. So the exercise number 5 has to be done in their language notebooks. And apart from that, on page number 11 of Learner's Book, there is exercise number 7, in which the students have been given some hints, and the students have to use those hints to form a sentence. For example, number 1 is have brothers and sisters. So by using these words, we have to form a proper sentence, a proper question. So what will be the proper question of this number 1? It will be, do you have brothers and sisters, or do you have any brothers and sisters? So this is how we have to form all the questions, and this exercise has to be done in the language notebook as well. Apart from this, the homework is that the students have to complete page number 6 and 7 of their activity book. On page number 6 of the activity book, there are 3 profiles of 3 different students, and by reading those profiles, the students have to answer the questions on page number 7. They have to prepare proper sentences, they have to form questions, and they have to answer those questions as well, and everything has to be done in the activity book only. So this was done today. Take care of yourself, and if there's any confusion, you may ask me in the next class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.